When it comes to project tracking, the big question is, which tool is really the best for staying on top of your tasks? Is it Monday.com or Paymo? Today, I'm going to dive into these two project management platforms and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. By the end of this video, I'll give you an alternative that might just be better than both, so stick around. Let's start by talking about Monday.com. It's known for its vibrant interface and versatility. Whether you're tracking a simple project or managing a complex workflow, Monday.com's customization options are impressive. You can create your own boards, add statuses, colors, and even automation to make the process smoother. It works well for teams of all sizes, and the integration options are solid, from Google Drive to Slack. But with all its customization, things can get a little overwhelming, especially if you're just looking for basic project tracking without a ton of bells and whistles. Next thing to consider is Paymo. Paymo is a bit more straightforward compared to Monday.com, and this simplicity can be a major plus for some teams. The interface is clean and it's very user-friendly, which makes it easy to get started without a steep learning curve. You get the core project tracking features, task management, time tracking, invoicing, and even a calendar. But while it's easy to use, Paymo can sometimes feel a bit basic, especially for larger teams who need more powerful features like advanced reporting or deep customization. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Monday.com excels in this area. You can share boards, add comments, and even collaborate on specific tasks in real time. This makes it great for teams that need constant communication. Paymo, on the other hand, is not quite as collaborative. It offers task comments and file attachments, but it doesn't have quite the same level of interactivity that Monday.com provides, especially in a fast-paced team environment. The fourth thing we need to consider is pricing. Monday.com offers a tiered pricing structure that can get pretty expensive as you add more features and users. While the basic plan is affordable, unlocking more advanced features requires an upgrade. Paymo's pricing is more straightforward and affordable, especially for smaller teams. But if you need the premium features, it still gets pricier as you scale. Another thing worth mentioning is mobile apps. Both Monday.com and Paymo have mobile apps, but Monday.com's mobile app is more robust. You can easily manage tasks, get notifications, and even track time. Paymo's mobile app, while functional, isn't as intuitive or feature-rich. So, if you plan on using your phone to manage projects on the go, Monday.com might offer a better experience. The last thing to keep in mind is scalability. If you're a small team, either of these tools will likely work for you. But if you're a larger organization, you might find Paymo limiting as your needs grow. Monday.com, with its customization options and integrations, scales a lot better and can support teams of all sizes. So, which one should you choose? Well, both Monday.com and Paymo are solid options for project tracking. But after testing both, I think Monday.com has the edge when it comes to versatility and scalability, especially for larger teams. However, if you're after a simpler, more affordable option that still gets the job done, Paymo could be your go-to. But here's the thing. There's a tool out there that combines the best of both worlds. If you're looking for an alternative that beats both Monday.com and Paymo when it comes to ease of use, affordability, and robust project tracking features, I've got a better option for you. I've used it myself, and it is everything you need without the complexity. And the best part? You can get access to an exclusive free trial through the link in the description. So, if you want to see why this alternative might be a better fit for your project tracking needs, be sure to click that first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.